Need help? Lynn is walking on a road. She sees a man near his car. He looks unhappy.
Hi, do you need help?
There's a problem with... Can I use your phone, please?
Lynn gives her phone to the man.
Sure, but...
Sorry, 1 minute.
The man uses Lynn's phone.
Yes, is this the auto repair shop? I have a car problem.
Sir.
The man continues talking on the phone.
No, I don't know where I am. Excuse me, miss.
Yes?
Where are we?
Near the auto repair shop.
What?
I work there on weekends. I'm a mechanic. So, do you need help?
Unhappy. Sorry. Mechanic. Near. Work.